Hey, good morning YouTube. Today is beautiful outside, makes for a great day to go install my new springs. We're about to go head over to the shop right now. We're gonna meet up with Nick and we're gonna just get things going. I ran to the store earlier, picked up some new tools so that we have everything we need to get this going. So let's get on our way. I just pulled up to the shop. I got the car up on some wood right now. We're gonna loosen up the lugs, get the car on some jack stands, and then we're gonna open up the kit, see what we need, and get everything together and start going. So we're gonna just start off with the front of the car. We're gonna drop it down afterwards and leave it on the wood, and then we'll jack up the back and do the back separately. So as you can see by the title, I got the Eibach spring kit. It comes with the two fronts that you need. It comes with the bump stops that just fell on the floor, and the dust boots for the rear, and the two rear springs. Right now Nick is just getting the wheels off so that we can start the front. Yeah, how's that going? Going. Alright, so we got the first spring off. We're gonna go install the new one. Got some new bump stops that we're putting in. Might want it to go the right way. Quick. Alright, so this is little stopping point that you gotta put at the end of the spring and make sure that it's lined up. Alright, now we can slide it back in. I'm gonna need Nick's help to get this lined up. So, one side of the front done, now to just do the other.
Alright, this man just got called into work, so it looks like I'll be completing this one until he gets back.
So right now I am currently at work. Nick is finishing up the fronts, well, the one front side, because we got the first one done before I had to leave. It's unfortunate that I don't get to participate in any of the fun right now, but when I get back, we'll jump straight into the rears. I'm like super excited to see how this comes out, because one, I've never had a lowered car, so this is going to be interesting adjusting to driving with it. And two, I've been waiting so long to get wheels, and tires, and springs, and just get this whole build really actually going. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to add a little extra. I bought some side splitters for the side skirts just to give it that little bit extra, you know, match up with the lip and everything so that it looks a little bit better. So we'll throw those on after we're done with the springs. Shouldn't take too long to do that. It's just a couple screws. I'll catch you back when I get to the shop.
Alright, so I finished it what looks like just in time because Tristan is pulling up now, and we'll get his reaction on video and see how he likes it. At least the front end, then we gotta get started on the rear. What's up, buddy?
What up? I'm back.
Alright.
How's it look? You finished it?
Yeah.
Well, the fronts.
The exposures. All, yeah, oh, there we go.
There you go.
All right.
Light down. Let's see. Wow. We get instancy. It's probably gonna be a little different once we like really actually lower it down too.
Yeah.
But that looks great. And that's crazy. It hasn't even, the springs haven't even settled yet. I gotta still drive it around, so it's gonna go a little bit lower. But we're jacking up the back right now. We're gonna get that going, get that done. And then we'll do a nice little montage of the car when it's all finished. Did we loosen
the lugs? No.
We gotta do that before.
impact, boy.
We gotta do that before we send it. What?
It's an impact thing.
We gotta send it.
Just get it off the ground a little bit first, though. Because you got the fucking stud lugs.
Is it off the floor yet? Nice. That's exactly what I wanted to happen.
I bet.
Right on the wheels. No, they're good though. Let's go grab the other spring and throw this on top. Spring, bump stop, dust boot. Back to our scheduled programming. Okay, or don't go on, that's fine. Put it on upside down. Playing with your flashlight?
This is why we can't have nice things. Tristan fucked up my flashlight.
You put it in there.
You put it in that way. You just couldn't get it in. That's to the torque wrench. Abandoned.
You also took the 17, which I need. I also need the bolts. Okay. Realistically, not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But they're all done now. We just gotta drop it down, see the final fitment, obviously until it settles. But we're done. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Okay, we're down. Nice, good clearance.
Huh?
Good clearance until it ends up settling and
Yeah, and then
I have no clearance, but you know, it's fun. Hey. Why is the easiest thing the hardest part of the day? Are you screwing it into the screw that's there?
potentially. You said fucking put it wherever, so I put it wherever.
You sent it, bro.
Is it in?
No way.
Oh, you're going directly into the screw, that's why.
Oh, then you shouldn't have told me to put it wherever.
I told you.
There you go.